Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today, showing you the progress on the Grand Marquis. Got the hood replaced, got the header panel replaced, painted the grille flat black. Little note, just in case you're out hunting for parts, I got that hood from a 2006 Grand Marquis. This is a 2008. This is a 2000. I got that hood from a 2006 Grand Marquis. This is a 2002. And the silver, not sure if you can tell, you probably can in the sunlight, just a little different from 2002 to 2006. Who knew? They used different silvers. The header panel was brown, so I painted that myself. Didn't come out the greatest, but it's in there. Got to do some adjusting on the headlights. Just replaced a bunch of front end parts, tie rods, ball joints, and I gotta look at the A-frames next, so I'm gonna have to do some front alignment afterwards. But there she sits. That hood looks so identical until you put it on the car, and then you can tell it's a slightly different gray, silver. So try to stick with the same mirror when you're getting them from the junkyard. It doesn't look too bad from about 20 feet. Thank you for checking out my video, and I'll bring you some more updates as I do them on this. Have a good day.